How to fix the issue of Facebook Marketplace not being available. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing this issue of Facebook Marketplace which is not available to you, here are a few solutions you can try on. First and foremost, you need to ensure you meet Facebook eligibility criteria. First of all is the age restriction. You must be above 18 years old to use Marketplace. So to do so, first of all open your Facebook app and navigate to the menu page. Then tap on settings icon and then on account center. Now from the person details, check your birth date. If needed, you can update your birth date by clicking on edit. Likewise, solution 2 would be updating your Facebook app. Sometimes small glitches could be related to the problem. So for this, you can tap on Facebook and check if update is available. If yes, click update and check if marketplace reappears. Solution 3 would be clearing out the Facebook app cache. For this, you have to long press on your Facebook application. Go to the icon, long press it and go to app info. Then after, go to storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. After that, make sure you have strong and stable internet connection. Then after, you can go to Facebook and check if marketplace is available. However, if it is still not available, you need to contact the Facebook support. For this, go to the Facebook page and go to menu. Tap on help and support and report a problem. In that problem list, select Marketplace and describe the issue. Once that is done, submit the report to the Facebook. After that, in some few business days, you will get the further assistance. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.